Hi guys, it's Frugal Fani. Do you have any organizing tasks that seem so daunting that really all you want to do is walk away from them? Well, so do we. This is a hall closet that is home to all kinds of things, organized and not. But in order to make sure I'm not holding on to any junk that I don't need, when what I really mean to do is to reduce my use of things and recycle and reuse, I am going to clean out this closet. I already did. So I took all the contents of this closet. Come on, Homer, let's show him. I took all the contents of this closet to the same living room where I organized my master bedroom closet. And I put them all here. All of this stuff in containers, in Rubbermaid, organized by what it is, has consumed and overwhelmed that little hall closet. So I'm going to follow Marie Kondo's rules, and I am going to part with things that don't spark joy, and I'm going to organize them in ways that will make them effective for future use, or I'm going to share them with other people. Uh-oh. Homer says, yes, Mom, let's do it. So, Frugal Fani, trying to set a good example. Big daunting tasks. Just turn on some music, roll up your sleeves, and get to it. Peace.